Imagine if your body had a hidden repair kit. Kit, one that could regenerate damaged tissues, heal from the inside out, and even slow down the visible signs of aging. Well, you do. It's called your stem cells. These remarkable cells act as your body's personal repair crew, standing by to replace worn out cells, regenerate skin, rebuild blood vessels, and even keep your brain sharp. But here's the part most people don't know. The power of your stem cells isn't fixed. You can actually activate and boost their growth naturally, simply by choosing the right foods. Science has now shown us that certain nutrients switch on these cells, helping you fight disease, recover faster, and look and feel younger than your actual age. Today, we're diving into the top 7 foods proven to stimulate stem cell activity and slow the aging clock. And don't worry, this isn't just a list. You'll discover exactly how each food works at a cellular level, the studies that back it up, and how you can easily add it to your daily life for maximum benefit. So, let's unlock the first powerhouse food. 1. Blueberries, nature's anti-aging berries. Blueberries are far more than a sweet, colorful fruit. They are one of nature's most powerful anti-aging tools. Packed with anthocyanins, these deep blue pigments protect your cells from oxidative stress, which is one of the biggest drivers of age. But here's where it gets fascinating. Research from the University of Florida found that compounds in blueberries activate your body's own stem cells, especially those involved in muscle repair and brain health. Mena, stem cells in the brain are responsible for producing new neurons, a process called neurogenesis. As we age, neurogenesis slows down, leading to memory decline and slower thinking. Blueberries have been shown in clinical studies to reactivate these neural stem cells, boosting learning ability and memory retention in older adults. Practical tip: don't just think of blueberries as a snack. Blend them into a morning smoothie with spinach and almond milk. Toss them into a fresh salad for a sweet contrast, or freeze them for a cooling summer treat. Aim for at least a half cup daily. Frozen blueberries retain almost all their stem cell boosting power, so they're a year-round option. And here's an insider trick. 2. Green tea liquid. Longevity green tea is not just a calming beverage. It's a stem cell activator in a cup. Its star compound, EGCG epigallocatechin gallate, has been shown in multiple studies to protect existing stem cells from damage while also encouraging the growth of new ones. In 2016, researchers from the University of Singapore discovered that ETGC promotes the survival and regeneration of endothelial progenitor cells, the stem cells that repair blood vessels. Stronger blood vessels mean better circulation, improved oxygen delivery, and more efficient nutrient transport, all of which help tissues heal faster and keep organs functioning like they're years younger. Green tea also supports hematopoietic stem cells, which live in your bone marrow and are responsible for producing healthy new blood cells. That means better immunity, more efficient oxygen transport, and faster recovery from illness. To get the most out of green tea for stem cell health, brew it at around 80 degrees C, 176 degrees F to preserve its delicate compounds. Steep for 3-4 minutes. Too long can make it bitter without adding benefits. Drink 2-3 cups, spread throughout the day to keep EGE levels steady. For extra potency, try matcha, the powdered form of green tea that delivers the whole leaf, not just the infusion. Matcha can contain up to 3 times the AGC of regular green tea. Blend it into smoothies, mix it with oat milk for a latte, or even use it in baking for a green, antioxidant-rich twist. 3. Spinach, the leafy green stem cell protector. When it comes to superfoods, spinach might look humble, but it's an absolute champion for stem cell health. Spinach is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful carotenoids that not only protect your eyes, but also shield stem cells from oxidative stress and DNA damage. One groundbreaking study from the USDA Human Nutrition Research Center found that these compounds significantly reduce inflammation around stem cell niches, the microenvironments where stem cells live and regenerate. When inflammation is kept in check, stem cells can function optimally, producing healthier new cells more efficiently. Yabobichov delivers nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that dilates blood vessels, improves circulation, and ensures your stem cells receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to thrive. Here's the key: you don't have to eat spinach raw to reap the benefits. In fact, lightly steaming it can release more lutein, making it easier for your body to absorb. Add it to omelets, stir it into soups, blend it into smoothies, or saute it with garlic and olive oil for a quick side dish. Just make sure to pair spinach with a small amount of healthy fat, like avocado or nuts, since lutein is fat soluble and needs that boost for absorption. 4. Turmeric, the golden spice of regeneration. Turmeric isn't just a kitchen spice. Cellular powerhouse. Its active compound, curcumin, has been shown in multiple studies to activate neural stem cells in the brain, encouraging the growth of new brain cells and improving memory. In one notable study published in Stem Cell Research and Therapy, researchers found that curcumin increased the proliferation of neural stem cells in adult animals by as much as 80%. This is extraordinary, considering how most adults see a steep decline in brain cell growth over time. Curcumin also works as a gene expression modulator, meaning it can switch on protective genes in stem cells and switch off genes that drive inflammation and premature aging. This dual action makes it one of the most powerful natural tools for keeping stem cells healthy and active. The challenge, curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own. To unlock its full potential, combine turmeric with a pinch of black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Also, consuming it with a bit of healthy fat, like coconut milk or olive oil, helps curcumin move more efficiently into your bloodstream. Practical tip: stir turmeric into golden milk lattes, sprinkle it over roasted vegetables, or add it to soups and curries. Consistency is key. A small daily dose is far more beneficial than a large, occasional one. 5. Pomegranate. The youth fruit pomegranates are more than a pretty fruit with jewel-like seeds. They are rich in elegens, plant compounds that your gut bacteria convert into a molecule called urolithin. This molecule has been shown to stimulate mitophagy, the process of cleaning out damaged mitochondria so that stem cells have more energy to divide and repair tissues. A 2016 study from the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology revealed that urolithin A improves muscle function and endurance in older adults, essentially helping the body act younger than its chronological age. This process indirectly supports stem cell health by maintaining the energy powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondria. Pomegranate juice has been shown to increase circulating stem cell levels in the blood, especially those involved in blood vessel repair. This means better cardiovascular health, faster recovery from injury, and more youthful skin due to improved blood flow. Here's how to use it. Eat the fresh seeds whenever possible. They're packed with fiber and antioxidants. Freshly squeezed pomegranate juice is also excellent, but keep portions to about half a cup per day to avoid excess sugar. Pairing pomegranate with leafy greens in a salad creates a nutrient synergy that further enhances stem cell activity. 6. Green tea. The Stem Cell Guardian green tea is more than just a soothing drink. It's a molecular shield for your stem cells. The magic lies in epigallocatechin gallate, EGCHI, a potent antioxidant that not only protects stem cells from free radical damage, but also encourages them to regenerate more effectively. A study from the Journal of Biological Chemistry found that EGG can reactivate dormant stem cells, especially in muscle tissue, improving repair after injury and slowing muscle loss with age. It also helps maintain telomere length, those protective caps at the ends of chromosomes that determine how many times a cell can divide before it stops functioning. Longer telomeres mean more cell divisions, more regeneration, and slower age. Green tea also has a fascinating effect on vascular endothelial stem cells, which are responsible for repairing blood vessels. This means better circulation, lower blood pressure, and reduced risk of heart disease, all essential for longevity. For best results, drink 2 to 3 cups of freshly brewed green tea daily. Avoid adding milk, as dairy proteins can bind to antioxidants and reduce their activity. If you want to supercharge the benefits, add a squeeze of lemon to stabilize the EGZ and enhance absorption. Matcha, a powdered form of green tea, provides an even higher concentration of these bioactive compounds, making it a fantastic alternative. 7. Mushrooms. The regenerative fungi mushrooms are nature's quiet healers, working behind the scenes to enhance immunity and cellular regeneration. In varieties like shiitake, maitake, and raizi are especially powerful because they contain beta-glucans, which modulate the immune system and indirectly support stem cell function by reducing chronic inflammation in. But mushrooms don't stop there. They also provide ergothioneine, a rare antioxidant that protects stem cells from oxidative damage over the long term. This is crucial because stem cells are highly sensitive to oxidative stress, which can cause them to age prematurely and lose their regenerative power. Rhizi mushrooms, in particular, have been shown to increase the activity of hematopoietic stem cells, the ones responsible for producing new blood cells. This improves oxygen transport, immunity, and recovery after illness. Shiitake mushrooms contain lentinan, a compound with anti-cancer properties that helps maintain the integrity of stem cell DNA. DNA protection is essential because once genetic damage accumulates in stem cells, the quality of the cells they produce declines, leading to faster aging. You can saute mushrooms with garlic and olive oil, blend them into soups, or even dry and powder them for teas. For maximum benefit, include a variety of mushrooms in your diet, since each species offers a unique profile of protective compounds. Here's the reality: your stem cells are the foundation of your body's ability to heal, renew, and stay youthful. The foods we've covered, blueberries, salmon, spinach, turmeric, pomegranate, green tea, and mushrooms, aren't just healthy in the general sense. They are regenerative foods that work on the deepest cellular level, influencing how well you age and how resilient your body remains against disease. The science is clear. What you eat can literally change the way your cells behave. By consistently choosing foods that protect and activate your stem cells, you are giving your body the tools to stay younger for longer. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about building a daily longevity ritual. So here's my challenge to you. This week, make it a point to include at least one of these stem cell boosting foods in every single day. Notice the difference in your energy, your recovery, and even your mental clarity. Over time, you'll be stacking the odds in your favor for a longer, healthier, more vibrant life. And remember, small, consistent choices create massive, long-term change. Your stem cells are listening to every bite you take. Feed them wisely, and they'll reward you for decades to come.